when you receive your new EGG system, it will require an installation of software. And that software will be unique to your device. Included in the package is a thumb drive that contains the installation software. The installation software is called 3CPM EGG SAS Setup 2.09, followed by a version letter. In this case, that version letter is I. Before installing the software, ensure that you have the human interface module plugged into the computer that you'll be using for your EGGs. Once you ensure that has been done, double-click the setup software. And in the case that your computer asks you for permission, go ahead and click yes. This will bring up a screen that will require you to set a password. With your device, you will have received a set of instructions that are unique to your system that has the password on it. Search that paperwork and find that password. Once you have it, enter it into the space provided. And then click Next. This will bring you to a welcome screen. You can read that and then click Next. This will bring you to the license agreement. Read the license agreement. And then select I agree to the terms of the license agreement. And then press Next. This will bring you to a disclaimer page. Read the disclaimer. And then press Next. This will bring you up to the installation folder. There is already a default folder selected in the C drive called C3CPM. It is not recommended that you change this. Keep it as is. And then press Next. This will give you an option to name a shortcut folder. You can name this whatever you would like, but it is recommended that you keep it as the default 3CPM company. Then press Next. You are now ready to install. Verify the settings that you would like to use, and then press Next. Once all the loading bars have finished, you can go ahead and click Finish. Your EGG software is successfully installed.